Yeah, welcome to On the Surf. This is the family. On this channel we're talking about boat stuff in general, boat life with kids, how it works with kids on the boat, how it works with dogs on the boat, boat maintenance and boat restoration and boat repairs, and basically boat life in general. Please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, but it helps me out and keeps my motivation going. So please hit that subscribe button, give the videos a thumbs up if you like the content, and if you don't, leave a comment below, and don't forget to turn on that notification. So now it's time to adjust and fit this soft top. I'm using this 2-piece, and now we're gonna mount it. And we have a twist lock here and one here. We are gonna do this one, and yeah, I started this many hours ago. I'm just gonna show you this one so you know how it's done. So first, stretch the fabric as much as you want it. Find it, make a mark, and also draw the direction, something like that. That's the center, and as you can see, it has these teeth. So we just put it over the mark in the correct direction, and then just push it through the fabric. Now we have all 4 teeth through. Just take the backing plate, put it so the teeth are going through, take your pliers and fold the teeth. And now we just take the scalpel, cut up the hole, ta-da! And now it's just to do the rest. I have a lot on this soft top, and we made this one now. Now we're gonna go, and this is the forward on the left side. So now we're gonna do the one that's in the right corner, so directly diagonal, and you have to work like that. If you do it in a circle, it's not gonna end up good. So just keep filling, and it's perfect. Yeah, now it's time to get the scissors out and start cutting up the soft top. And yeah, it sounds scary, but you have to do it. So we're gonna start, let's see, by clean cut all the edges, something down like that. Whoop. In a nice line. And I'm gonna fold that edge, so I'm gonna have to add 2 centimeters, as I did on all the connections. And I will also, let's see here, add a zipper, something like that, and one here that goes all the way round and down on the back side, and that's it. So just start cutting, draw some lines, cut it up for zippers. Yeah, when I've trimmed the edges and draw the line for the zippers, we will go in the workshop again. So let's start cutting. Yeah, so now it's time to add some zippers, and as you can see, they are just taped on. Let's see, there's one, there's one, there's one. It's just slapped on with some dual face tape. So now it's time to get it inside again and cut it to pieces and make some more sewing and put in covers and a lot of the usual stuff. So let's take it off and go inside. Yeah, now all the zippers are on and the soft top is on the boat. So now it's just to sew these covers on to cover the zippers. And then it's about done. So yeah, we're gonna make some pockets for the arches as well. But now it's getting dark, so I'm gonna continue tomorrow. So now I'm going in and having a cold one. So see you tomorrow. Finally, the soft top is ready. It does have a couple of modes. As you can see here, it's in bimini mode. Basically just the roof. A lot of air can pass through. Sandra wanted it like that, so Sandra got it like that. So here you have the other modes. So let's see what Sandra has to say about it.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, I think she's more than okay. But yeah, Sandra didn't like those green lines, but those are just temporary. But they are gonna be replaced with those rubbery thingy with a red ball in them. But this is just to get an idea on how it's gonna look when. Yeah, but it is done, so yeah. Launching is coming up really soon, so yeah. The dinghy, yeah, I'm gonna make a little adjustments on the dinghy davits, and then I'm gonna finish with electricity. And yeah, it's quite a mess in the boat right now. Tools everywhere and stuff everywhere, but yeah, soon it's done. So now it's just time to try out the other modes this soft top have. Yeah, here is my own design on how to roll up the soft top and secure it. Let's see if I can show you. In here is the same eye as here, and then just a cover, so you can peel through a line. A lot of windows. Sandra wanted a lot of windows, so she got a lot of windows. And when it's new, it should be a little overtensed, because after it has got wet and dried a couple of times, it's gonna stretch a bit. So and as you can see here, it's folded both sides everywhere. I've gone through 1.4 kilometers. That's 1,400 meters and about 700 meters of that special dual face tape. So it's a lot of material. Here we have that covering, just to hide the corner or the edge. As you can see, folded, folded, folded on outside, and the window in between. And the same all the way around. And as you can see, it's the same here, all the way. Yeah, it has taken a lot longer than I had thought. Maybe I've spent around 100 hours on this. And this is not my first, but this is the most complex one I've done so far. And yeah, we wanted a multifunction soft top, so yeah, a lot of zippers and a lot of windows, and we are gonna make curtains for the windows, but we need to get this boat in the water, so I'm not gonna bother with that, not right now anyway. Maybe if I have some day I don't have anything to do, I will make those and stitch them in. So now it's fully up, and now we're gonna take it down. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you my favorite thing. One moment. My favorite thing. As you can see, it's open here and no roof. That means here I have my propane barbecue. Yeah, you heard right, I have a propane barbecue on top here, and just roll up the window, and then I can barbecue in cover if it's windy or raining or something. Yeah, and then we can fold it down completely. Yeah, you can roll this up and make it look really nice, but now it's starting to rain, so I don't want to bother with that. So now I have to hurry to get it up again. So let's see you inside. It's the details that take time. So that's rounded. That's rounded. This is the zipper covers, and those are really big. And the same on the others. So let's get this on. Finally, it's done. I'm so sorry I haven't got any videos out, but I underestimated how much time, not the amount of time it takes, because that's, I know, I've done this many times, but I underestimated how much time I have with 2 kids, 2 dogs, actually only 1 dog. We had to bury one of them a couple of days ago, so now we only have 1, but that's life, and the other one has maybe a year left, so, but that's life. So I'm way behind schedule. Normally I launch in March, and now it's 5th of June, so do the math. But hopefully tomorrow the boat is in the water, everything is nice, everything works, and I'm gonna have a barbecue on the boat, hopefully. Maybe I'm gonna do a live episode tomorrow, maybe. Yeah, we will see. Yeah, sorry for a little bit of bad cutting. I was in quite a rush just to get the video out. And yeah, now the soft top is finally ready. And yeah, if you want to support this channel, it's totally voluntarily, and if you don't want to do it, it's fine. If you want to do it, yeah, I would like it. So yeah, down in the comments I will add a link and a description on how to do that. But as I said, it's voluntarily, you don't have to do it. If you don't want to do it, it's good for me. I will still continue to make these videos, and yeah. And if you want to support this, I will leave a link and a description below on how to do it. So let's see you in the next episode. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, tell your friends if you already haven't, and just hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification button. It's a little bell, and I will see you in the next episode.